In this video, we will show you how to change target framework in Visual Studio. When you already created a project using Visual Studio, then you want to change the target framework. It's very easy, okay? For example, let's try to create blank project here and using the language, for example, Visual Basic. Platform is Windows and project type is desktop. Then we can choose Windows Home application using .NET Framework. Then we can click Next. In here, for example, we create it with .NET Framework 4.7.2 and click Create. After that, maybe your application does not support with the current OS you have. Then you want to change the current target framework. How to do that? First, in here, you can go to the projects and select Windows, the properties, and after that you can see there is menu target framework. You can change the drop down here, and for example you change into .NET Framework 4.5. okay, after that you can just click yes. Then your project will using the .NET Framework 4.5 like this. Okay, then you can try to run your project if successfully. So you using .NET Framework 4.5 for now, not using 4.7.1 again. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to change the target of .NET Framework on Visual Studio. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.